The auto dispensers are the ultimate in cleaning convenience, but eventually detergent can build up. Let's take a look on how to keep them clean. Gently press the compartment cover to open it. Slide out the auto dispensers. Remove the lid from each of the dispensers using the pull tabs at the back of the lids. Thoroughly clean both dispensers using running warm water and a soft brush. Wipe everything dry with a towel when you're done. You should also remove and clean the dispenser tray in case of any leaked detergent or softener. If you need to clean beneath the dispenser tray, use a damp cloth. Never spray liquids directly into the recess. Tightly attach the tops of both dispensers. Allow the recess, tray, and dispensers to dry completely, then put the tray back. Push the dispensers back into their positions, and close the compartment cover.